On this episode of One Man, One Hand, and No Real Plan, we play with fire! So one of the things I've got going on this roof that I've always wanted to try is I've got these high spots, and hopefully that shows up on the video there. You can see just how high they are, and I hit them with the DA and that shows you just how high they are. But I've watched a few videos, including a really good one by Make It Custom, and he did heat shrinking. So that's what we're going to give a try on this spot, and I've got another one like it on the other side. Well, for the first try, we'll see. I think this front part up here actually did fairly good. I still got quite a bit right there, and it looks like a bump there, but it's a ton smaller than it was. I might sand it and see where we're at. After sanding it, it's definitely down a bunch. I'm going to try and hammer and dolly some of this down and then work on shrinking it some more. So I got my dolly rigged up, and I'm going to try and push up in the low spots and hammer down in the high spots. I'm not getting the angle I want with this, so I think we're going to try a different idea. So I flipped the roof over, and I'm going to set it up with the flat side, or fairly flat side, right on the crown of that high spot underneath. I'm going to make sure I'm not hitting straight on it. And I'm going to hit the low spots, which would be high on this side, down. Yeah, that seems to be working. Now let me reposition this. Now when I take the straight edge across, it's pretty well gone except for that spot right there. I'm going to try and shrink that again with the heat. So now you can see the high spot, which is considerably smaller, but it comes like right in through there. Here's our low spot, here's a low spot, and there's a low spot. So I'm going to work on pushing on these, or hitting these down again, while simultaneously putting pressure on this to lower it down. This time I'm going to try setting a block on this low spot and tapping it on here to see if I can get more leverage that way. Okay, now I'm going to move it over to this spot actually. Now I'm going to go back. Right back. I got the block sitting under that low spot, and I'm going to hit on this spot. Now let's sand it. Now it's still not perfect, but compared to where we started, and this is where it was, I will take that. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button, think about subscribing, or maybe even leave me a comment. Let me know what you think or what you liked. As always, we'll just keep working away until we get to the next one.